freaking cousin spawned a dog, and then she said if I kill one of the dogs, so I killed the dog, and then she literally freaking exploded my house with TNT, which literally took me hours. Like, how rude. How rude of her. Well, I mimicked it somehow, even though it was kind of broken. It was kind of, I was kind of mad at her. It was kind of crying actually. Not to be, Laser, don't make fun of, don't be mad, don't laugh at me, but I was kind of crying because of it. I think I was like 7. I think I was 7. I think I was 7. I think I was 6 or 7. Yeah, I was like 6 or 7. I was kind of sad because she broke my freaking building. Like, bruh, it literally took me hours to make it, and my cousin helped me, and she literally blew it up with TNT. She like, I killed her dog. She, I mean a different cousin. It's a different cousin. It's a different cousin. I have a lot of cousins. And that's the one that helped me with my Minecraft build was a different cousin. That cousin is a YouTuber. My other cousin isn't, because they never make YouTube videos. Yeah. Yeah, the one that doesn't make is not a YouTuber. Helped me build my IRL house, but in Minecraft. But this freaking girl with her cousins came, which was I think they're nephews. I think or cousins. Their other cousin then came and literally said and spawned some dogs and put a cage so they don't get out. And she said, "If I killed her one of her dogs first, but then." And then she said, if you kill one of my dogs, if you kill all of them, I'm gonna explode your house with TNT. So I just trolled her, and she was like far away from her there. I think she was in creative mode, or she was like on normal mode. And so I was trying to, so I trolled her, so I killed her cows. I mean, her animals. I mean, her dogs. I mean, and then she saw it, so she came back quickly and put some TNT. I was trying to break it in time, but I wasn't fast enough, and she exploded up, and it exploded, and it was kind of sad. Like I just wanted to cry. I don't know because why not? Because I was trying to troll her. I was trying to troll her, but I didn't expect she would actually explode. Yeah, yeah, my cousin. All my cousins are Hispanic for that thing sake, except for one. Except for one, I think. Yeah, except for one. English. One is English, actually. Well, technically, except for my English cousin, I speak, in English. She's Swedish. But all of my other cousins, I speak in Spanish, except for one, which is because she speaks English. No. And, yeah, and also my English cousin, has a baby, but, yeah. Wait, what? Okay. She had a boy, by the way. I'm just watching this. And my dad just came back. And literally my freaking sister just screamed that just came back. She was excited to come back. Wait. I have a berry farm. I have a berry farm. Getting so many extra just from it. My relatives and stuff. I'm building this thing. I don't know what this is. It's funny because this is done. That thing. And it looks ugly. Yep, definitely ugly. It doesn't look like a perfect circle. But...